For the first step, locate the handle on top of the cover and then lift up. While pulling the cover up and away from the chair, ensure that the center seam folds in. Next, hold the cover by the handles, align the corners, and ensure all layers are flat. Your Storigami lounge chair cover is now ready to be hung up by the handles or folded to desired size. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all Classic Accessories customers.